Hello, excuse me. Hello. Which stop would you like to get off? Where are you going?
We are going, I think, to Bailon lift.
Bailon elevator?
Bailon elevator.
Okay. Next stop, you just stay, and second stop, you can get off.
I think we stop just to Bailon elevator.
Okay.
Here.
Okay. The final stop. Get off the bus with me. I also get off in Bailon elevator. And afterwards, I can show you which route, how to get to the place you want to.
You know this place?
Yeah, I know it very well.
I
came to this park about 100 times every year.
Understand.
Yes, I'm recording. Here we get off. Wow. Are you a couple? Are you a couple? Husband and wife?
Yes, husband and wife.
Okay, that's very nice. Wow. Here we are waiting for the Bailon elevator.
Where is the elevator? One.
Yeah, over there.
Yeah.
Helicopter.
Helicopter?
Yes.
It's expensive? You don't know?
300 or 400 RMB? Just a few minutes.
For one people?
Yes.
是不是打过来？
非常非常 ，hello， 爱心 ，OK， kiss， 大家扶手，kiss， OK， 好 ，one people， 这边那个。
左边呢，我们左边呢。
That's fine.
再说。
You go there to check the Avatar Mountain.
你们走，然后你上去，然后走。
Which is good, pork or beef? What do you think?
I think beef is better, but it's more expensive. Maybe.
Beef. Okay.
牛肉店。
Will you?
I'm good.
Can I-
Thank you.
can I take you?
I'm good. Thank you. I'm good.
请你吃，你不吃，
不要。
好吃。
真的，外行。Hello, where are you going? Need any help?
We wanted to take this path, but
Okay.
it's closed.
Oh, yes, now it's closed.
Renovation. But
Yeah.
do you know if this is an option? Going back here?
Yeah, there is another option. I guess over here. You check it again with the staff.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, where are you from?
From Austria.
Austria. Very beautiful country.
Yes. China as well.
Thank you. Have a good time in Zhangjiajie.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye-bye.
Your name?
Xie xie.
Your name?
Tom.
You?
Greg.
Greg? I'm Anthony. Nice to meet you.
Anthony, nice to meet you.
Bye. You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye. This is called 小蛮腰. It's very special. Yeah, you can take the picture from over here, from this angle. Avatar Mountain. We took it very seriously.
Oh, I am.
Yeah, very professional.
Don't move.
So my record of walking one day
Yes, what
Yes.
is your record?
is over 40,000.
40,000. Over
40,000 steps.
40,000.
Yeah. Seriously.
In this
Yeah.
area?
Yeah, I walk
This park?
from early in the morning, like 8 a.m. until midnight, until 6 or 7 p.m. All walking.
You're crazy, man. Now we go on.
Kana, Ola, this is the first bridge.
This is first bridge.
I think this year's more and more Indians coming to China. Indeed?
Cool man.
You like him?
Yes, I very like this.
Seriously?
When I was a young boy, I always want to hear like him,
Yeah.
food like him, and always I'm going to Wushu.
Chinese
In
Kung Fu.
Wushu, yes.
Sorry? Zhangjiajie. Zhangjiajie is over here. Here is Zhangjiajie.
Where do we go to see the view?
It's over there. You can walk by the cliff. Turn left, walk by the cliff.
Okay, so we
Yes. Fresh juice?
Yes, fresh juice.
Okay, fresh juice. 鲜果汁有吗？鲜榨果汁？是不是？
不是手倒的啊，手倒的，我
里面都是那个橙子吧？没有其他的吧？
有茶，有一点点茶底，有那个圆圆的那个脆波波，可以吗？
There is orange and a little tea and a little kind of bubble. Is it all right for you?
Получается здесь апельсин, немножко чая и немножко этого, видимо, сельдерей или что-то.
This is the most fresh juice over here.
Самое свежее из всех.
Но без льда.
Can we ask her but without ice?
Without ice?
Yes,
Okay,
without
okay.
ice.
不要冰，不加冰。
这个不加冰一杯吗？
How many? One or two?
1 или 2?
Ну давай два возьмем, они по
2.
14.
2杯不加冰。
По 14.
啊，
Alipay. You? No?
I don't need it. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. 谢谢. Thank you for two, or for you too. 谢谢.
不客气。Now when Chinese people say 谢谢 to you, you can say 不客气。
好。
不客气。
You're
welcome.
You're welcome.
Yeah, 不客气。Yeah, this is Zhangjiajie cableway, the entrance. I won't take the cableway. How are you doing? Is it good?
Good, yes.
Okay. 你们是哪里来着？
重庆。
重庆哈。
重庆。
They're from 重庆。
I understand. It is very
俄罗斯。
far from.
俄罗斯。
俄罗斯。
How we say? Oru?
俄罗斯。
Is mean Russia?
Russia.
Russia, it's Orus.
俄罗斯。
That's
Very-
why
very
I
close.
was in this place.
This is 凤凰。
This place, yes?
Yes, this place, 凤凰. It's very beautiful in the evening.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a light.
How we can visit this place?
1 hour by train.
小孩拉过来，我喊他去吧。
We like monkeys. Oh.
Let's go back. Let's go back.
Я говорю ему, что обезьяны смотрят на людей и думают, вот кто обезьяна, да? Кто здесь обезьяна?
Take care.
Я тебе говорю же.
Так я не успела даже ее достать.
Я тебе сказал, отойди.
Так я стала отходить.
Надо отвернуться.
Ну все, пускай, тише, пускай ест, пускай собирает.
Я тебе сказал, они видят это. Отвернись.
Hello, where are you from?
Mexico.
Mexico. Beautiful country.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Kana, Ola, how do you like your one-day trip in Zhangjiajie National Forest Park?
This is our first day, one day.
You can say Russian.
Okay.
Мы очень замечательно провели этот день, нам очень понравилось. Это было супер.
Первый день отлично зашел, в Zhangjiajie в парке, прям супер.
Хорошо.
Все отлично.
And he is a very good guy
Okay.
and blogger.
Okay.
He is a cool.
Okay. So next time your friends come here, just call Anthony.
Yes, our friends was here.
How do you say thank you in Russian?
Спасибо.
Спасибо. Спасибо.
Спасибо. Спасибо ему. Спасибо Энтони. Спасибо всем. Спасибо парку. Спасибо Китаю.
Okay. I can speak very little Russian. Like Ура.
Утро.
Ура. Ура.
Ура. Ура.
Ура.
Yes.
Ура.
Ура. Ура.